let's dive in and learn this beautiful song together. You only need these chords in order to do this song if you're playing a concert, tenor, or soprano ukulele. But if you're playing a baritone, this is what the chord fingerings look like. The chord that you might be unfamiliar with on either instrument is an F sharp minor. On a regular ukulele, index finger on the first fret of the C string, reaching over to the second fret of the G, and then on the E string, picking it up with the ring finger, an F sharp minor, like a G7, but you just move everything closer to your face. If you're playing it on a baritone, it's a barred chord. Barring the second fret, reaching with your index finger to the fourth fret on your D string. I use this finger to help give a little extra strength to my bar. We're going to use a 2-beat strum in order to do this song. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. There are places in this song where you're going to need to play 2 patterns of the 2-beat strum for a total of 4 beats, and I have highlighted those in yellow just as a reminder. This song has 3 sections: verses, chorus, and a bridge. And in the chorus and the bridge, there are some tough chord transitions. Even though the chords are easy, it's getting from one to the other that's the tough part. Let's swallow the frog and do the bridge first because it's got the hardest chord transitions. You might not be familiar with the bridge, so let me sing that for you. People around every corner, they seem to smile and say, we don't care what your name is, boy, we'll never turn you away. Whenever you have tough chord transitions, I really recommend that you double check your strap and make sure that it can hold your instrument right about where you're playing it. And so I see that I'm having to lift mine just a little, so I'm going to adjust my strap. Now that I've got my strap adjusted and it feels just right about where I won't need to keep my hands, I'm in a good position. I'm going to use a hack that I use all the time. I'm going to use an A minor 7 hack. It's an E minor 7 hack if you're doing it on the baritone, and it is a totally no fingers chord, and it gives you a half a beat to transition to the next chord. You're going to put it on the up strum here of the 2-beat strum, but just because you're open here, you're still moving your fingers, you're thinking ahead. Let's do the first tough transition in E minor to an A. Let's just practice that a few times. I'm going to emphasize, I'm going to say down, down, up, and I'm going to emphasize that up to remind you that's where you put in the A minor 7 and you're moving your fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. Down, down, up, A, down, up, ready, again. Down, down, up, A, down, up, do it again. Down, down, up, A, down, up, one more time. Down, down, up, A, down, up. Well, once we get to that A, we've got to go to a D. So let's practice that 4 times. 1, 2, here we go. A, down, up, D, down, up, do it again. A, down, up, D, down, up, ready, again. A, down, up, D, down, up, one more time. A, down, up, D, down, up. I hope you're enjoying this practice session. Don't forget to give this a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks if you have. And it really helps this channel, and if you think this is valuable instruction, it gets in front of the eyes of other ukulele players. So here we go. E minor to D. 1, 2, here we go. E minor and a D, down, up, do it again. E, up, D, and do it again. E minor, up, D, down, up, one more time. E minor, up, D, down, up. We also have an F sharp minor going to an E7, so let's just practice that. Skills in isolation really help you to grow your ukulele skills faster. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, E7, again. Down, down, up, E7, do again. Down, down, up, E7, are the other chord transitions that are challenging. Practice them in isolation just like I demonstrated. Get the chord chart. You'll find these chord transitions are included. So just as a practice tip, you can use speed controls on YouTube if I'm going too fast for you. You can also use a metronome, and this is the one that I use, and it's totally free. So practice these chord transitions. It'll take a while for your brain to get working around it, and that's completely normal. And having my dog bark at squirrels outside is also completely normal. Once you practice skills in isolation, you got to put them all together. So let's do that bridge slowly, no lyrics. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. E minor and A, down, up, D, down, up twice, and E minor and A, and up, D minor twice, and E minor, A, and F sharp minor twice, and E7 twice, and A twice. Let's practice the chorus section with no lyrics. Just give us our chance to do our chords and our strumming. 1, 2, here we go. And F sharp minor, and G, and A7, and D, and A minor 7, D, and A minor 7. Well, that D and A minor section is really easy to do, so let's do that, because that's the only chords we need for the verses. 1, 2, here we go. D, A minor, D, A minor, D, A minor, D, A minor 7, D, and A minor 7, D, and A minor 7, D, and A minor 7. That's a lot easier than the other sections. Let's get the pronunciation of Mersey correct, because it rhymes with Jersey, like the fabric, the island, the cow, and the state. Get the chord chart for this. All the diagrams that I include in my tutorials are included in the chord chart, as well as the practice tips for the hard chord transitions. I want to thank Mary. She's my ukulele friend, and she inspired me to do this tutorial, and then to my patrons who voted for this. So thank you, patrons. I could not be doing this job without you. Come check out what I've got on Patreon. Over 350 chords. It's a small monthly fee. It's worth it. One, two, here we go. Night goes on day after day. Hearts torn in every way. Ferry, cross the Mersey. hope you enjoy playing this with me. And Mersey, well, it's the River Mersey, and it is where Liverpool is situated on the River Mersey, where it empties into the ocean. So this song is considered a love letter to the people of Liverpool. How cool is that? I've got some other British songs showing up here that you might be interested in. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and consider joining me on Patreon.